There are solid and significant signs that food products in the Western diet associated with a lack of vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids can promote violent behavior. One might not realize this at first thought, but the relationship between diet and temper or behavior has been a controversial topic for centuries. However, in the last few decades, there have been studies published to show that in fact there is a relationship between what people eat and how they behave. It has become evident that there are several suspicious products and ingredients that can actually promote hyperactivity and even violent behavior. These include certain artificial additives, primarily food colorings, processed food, refined sugars, and meats. It stands to reason that if the removal or elimination of a product from a person's diet can reduce that person's aggressiveness, the relationship between diet and violent or aggressive behavior is confirmed. Studies conducted at the University of Helsinki show that aggressive people are more tolerant to glucose and suffer reactive hypoglycemia after eating sugars. Additionally, they have lower serotonin levels in their brains. Hypoglycemia is low blood glucose and can present itself as a reaction after eating foods high in refined sugars and low in fiber such as sweets, candies, and cakes. It has been demonstrated that certain individuals are more susceptible to the increase in glucose level caused by certain products, and they react with the sharper decrease. Thus, these fluctuations in the blood glucose level promote aggressive behavior in these people. Some of the information gathered from these studies reveal that people who have a tendency toward aggressiveness or violent behavior should especially avoid a combination of refined sugars and alcohol. Increased foods rich in tryptophan, which is an amino acid and a precursor to serotonin. Additionally, eating nuts and seeds rich in omega-3 and omega-6 essential fatty acids helps to fight aggressive behavior and to calm the temper. Essential fatty acids are fats that the body cannot produce from other fats, and because of that, they must be taken with the diet. They are needed to form neuron membranes. There are two types of essential fatty acids that are known: omega-3 fatty acids and omega-6 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are needed for brain development. Great plant-based sources of omega-3 are flaxseed, walnuts, and other nuts, soy, seeds, oil, and soy milk, but not soy protein extract, certain leafy vegetables such as corn salad, etc. Breast milk is also a very good source. The lack of omega-6 fatty acids promotes depression. These fatty acids are primarily present in nuts and seeds and other plant foods such as sunflower, corn, squash, etc. Now, what about vitamin or mineral deficiency? A very insightful study was done by Oxford University with jail inmates in the United Kingdom. These inmates were given vitamin, mineral, and essential fatty acid supplements for a minimum of 2 weeks, and it was found that they committed 35% less infractions or crimes than the other prison inmates. As a result, researchers in this study concluded that a diet that lacks vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acid promotes antisocial as well as violent behavior. Finally, there was another study done by California State University with young people between the ages of 13 and 26 years old who are in correctional facilities. In this study, it was confirmed that a balanced diet in accordance with the recommended amounts of vitamins and minerals reduces the number of cases of antisocial behavior by nearly 50%.